How to add a gift card to Apple Wallet. Let's get started. Launch your Wallet app. This is the default app in your device. If you cannot find this app in your device, you can launch your App Store, search for the app Wallet, and download it. Once you download this app, launch it, you'll land to this kind of interface. Now at the top right corner, you will find this plus icon. Click on it. Different options will appear. Navigate to the option of debit or credit card. Click on continue. Your camera will open up. Now you can position your card over here in the frame and scan it. Likewise, you can also enter your details manually. If you want to do so, click on this option of enter card details manually. Now here you have to provide your gift card's details. For some gift card, Apple Wallet doesn't accept it. It depends on the company. After you fill this, click on next and follow the on-screen instructions. With that, your gift card will be added. So this way you can easily add gift card on Apple Wallet. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.